unboxing. We were in Manhattan shopping last week and the wife saw a bag that she just had to have. This is actually from the men's collection, Fall Winter 23. This is the Speedy 25 Bandouliere from the Kidsuper collection. And here it is. Pretty nice. A nice multicolor bag. You have a bunch of colors incorporated. Obviously the main color is white. You've got the gray in here, the royal blue, the black, the pink, the pastel orange. You've got the silver hardware. Got the blue underneath the tab. And then everything from the Kidsuper collection, you'll see the eye. They all have the face on them. So you can see the eye right here. Then it's embroidered in like the black leather that comes out right here. But other than that, the same as any other Speedy 25. The shoulder strap on the inside, obviously. And then the one pocket with the blue tab with the Louis Vuitton made in Paris. So there you have it. Let me guys know what you think. And stay tuned. We go shopping every week. Always looking for deals or retail. $2,730 on this one.